Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is another outfit that I made. This one is like a lace. And if you guys see, it has beautiful little sequins on it. And I did an open in the front, guys. And I put some shorts under there. And it goes long all the way down to the floor, guys. And I probably will wear some beautiful silver heels. I wouldn't wear these. I just got on these slides just to show you guys. But I probably will wear some beautiful silver heels with this. And I also made, excuse me, a double split maxi, a black one. And I'm going to put this one on as well and show you guys. And I thought this was really beautiful, guys. Really, really beautiful. So yes, we could do it in any color, guys. I thought this was really, really pretty. I love the sparkly. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. And God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Gino Shay, bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of this beautiful long maxi ivory sequence with the split and the matching shorts underneath. This is a very beautiful outfit. I thought it was very cute. And I will wear this with some silver heels. So just wanted to show you guys, this is the ivory maxi with split and matching shorts, guys. So you guys have an awesome day and happy sewing. Make beautiful projects. Thank you guys for always watching. Bye-bye.